Now we have to go beyond that, because it's any enterprise should not depend on this one, whatever thing. They say that this should be diversity of things. We must relate to diversity. We have a larger thing. So one challenge before us is that in the current year, now 95% the thing which we do as a knowledge partner, APO, as a knowledge partner of MKCL, we should now do something more, much more than that. We should extend ourselves beyond that in some form, in different forms. So what are the ideas for that? So one major initiative which we are taking is that, one, we want to create this as a university, not just one course. There will be many courses. This will require really entirely different thinking, which we have been nurturing, but we are not really spent. We are not, because we didn't have luxury to really invest on this. But this innovation requires. I told you 90 crores invested only in engineering courses. Government of India has invested 90 crores so far. Even they are not so popular. So a small company like this cannot venture to do that without any funding, research funding, etc. But we are going to venture this year. This year, with this accomplishment, we are going to definitely venture into trying out different courses, and like this interactively, these schools and Gurukuls. So one of the major activity of this year will be this. What we are waiting for this day, that we will make some funds available for us, so that we can invest into doing this, because it is not going to immediately earn anything. This one is not going to be sustainable. So this is a major thing, and we are going to enter areas like agriculture, where water harvesting. We are going to many skills which India requires, the problems which are required to solve. I think that many universities exist, but they can't solve the problems of the society, either at the research level or at the education level. So I think we require perhaps we have to have a more evolved model for this. So that is one major thing. Second thing is that we require innovations, new ideas, and you can submit new ideas. Can you submit that new idea? I have a new idea. A new idea just cannot say. New idea translate into innovation, translate into commercial thing. Bill Gates said Microsoft was a new idea, but it was a new business model. Innovation in business, which nobody had done before. Apple, Steve Jobs was not an inventor himself. He was an innovator and great business creator. Means the models which he came out with, Apple and iPods and then now iPhones, all that, which we never tried earlier. So we require new innovations. So this can come not necessarily from inside. This also can come from outside. You will be associated with that invention. You have to take the initiative. We will say this is the invention. It may be a different field, but would you like to get associated with, for example, now agriculture, this new innovation which has come. Oh, I will create a course on that. So people asking me, this is the thing, it works. This is the way it works. So can you create a course like this for the teaching the people now? Do step by step like this. So I show the videos, show my farm's videos, because people cannot travel, and show that kind of thing, as we said, show the whole thing, like, and give them this one, how it to be done, and certify them that they can do it. We have some workshops on the field, but the theory will be taught correctly by some of those experts, which they cannot reach everywhere. And this challenge is huge, because farming is there are holding of 2 acre holding, there are million farmers, there are 10 million farmers who are doing this. How do you reach that? So this is another challenge in the thing, or the thing which we really want to take it forward. Your opportunity. I think let's not restrict ourselves to sitting in that cubicle. Now you do that, but to go beyond that, this is an opportunity, and see on the net, see on the thing how people have done it, how they are teaching it. So innovation is one, and university framework is another. Of course, we will further strengthen our MKCL framework, our centers, we are teaching, etc. That has to be preserved, because that is our bread and butter. That is how that is on which we are standing today. That must be taken forward. That must be done still better, and then we are going to take it forward this year. So then next year, when we sit on this occasion, we would add more courses. We should have more Gurukuls. We should have some few innovations nurtured right on this campus here, and we would have run beyond something like that. We are a nursery of innovations, which I wanted to really bring in, because MKCL is a innovation, Multiversity is a innovation. CDAP at that time was an innovation as an enterprise and as itself the architecture of the system. So these are the 2 goals before us. Simple, let's keep it very simple. Multiversity and innovation. Multiversity itself is an innovation, because nobody has thought of this idea of these Gurukuls and doing that, and this can be extended, and it can be, this itself is a enterprise innovation, as MKCL was enterprise innovation. Nobody thought that Government of India, Government of Maharashtra can participate. They said that no, how can you participate when all the public sectors are failing? How can you do that and create another public sector where we are closing down so many public sector, states of public sector, almost all of them to close down what Maharashtra government started. So we questioned that, what do you want to start? We said we just want any investment, we want small, government should be a stakeholder in this whole process. When we said university should take, we said how can university take the stakes in an enterprise? They never knew, no university knew in India that they can be stakeholders, like Stanford is stakeholder, they earn maximum money. I was thinking the MIT budget is $2 billion. MIT's budget today is 10,000 crores. From where that 10,000 crores comes? Because of their stakeholding into different companies. The companies, their students have, their alumni have created, they contribute, then that thing, what is the dividends they are contributing, 10,000 crores. Today, the entire country, maybe university budget is less than 10,000 crores, which one institute has, and we have to compete with those universities. So I think we have to create some new ideas. This is something like out of box thinkings of this kind. So I am very pleased that this is the thing, and let's think beyond. So I would like to think that even the finance, accounts, this one, we can't restrict like this what we are doing just now. That's the way we will never reach anywhere. I say that Pune, Pune has a great thinkers, but nobody has been able to go beyond because they think only in that particular square. Each person is an institution in Pune, but nobody is able to go beyond that because they restrict themselves. Yeah, this is my me institution. Innovation challenges that. Innovation breaks this barriers. I am starting in a, like Steve Jobs says, I am starting in a garage, but I have claimed that one day I will be the world's most, I think the largest organization of this kind. I will change the game plan, like iPad has changed the whole game plan. iPod changed the game plan completely in the music. So you have to think like that, and this is all our mind's restrictions. I am telling you, these are not anywhere else. These are restrictions in your mind. My office is this. I told Niri, you have a huge campus just the other day, 110 crores. I don't find any researchers coming out, sitting in the forest, and you are talking about environment and doing some discussion. You think that only that table is a discussion, because that's what we have been told. So in each of our fields, think beyond. Let us think beyond what you thought so far. These are all restrictions created in your mind. They actually don't exist. Like for example, Narayan Murthy says, when Sudha Murthy said, he said, I want to invest something. She said, okay, take this one, I got 10,000 rupees. So that's, she said, and then they dreamt of creating, now they have 10,000 crores. Individual worth is 10,000 crores. How she thought about it, or how they thought about it, that we can create, isn't it? So we have done it. I am telling you the reason that you have done it, because I told you the reason that the IGNOU has not been able to do it with all fundings of the government. No distance education university or of this kind, we have not been able to do at this scale. I am just giving the scales. Why not you think individually now? Think this has to come from many people, not just few people. There have to be many people of that. At the same time, you have to be very disciplined. You have to be very thrifty, because not that I have given me freedom means I can do anything. I cannot do anything. We know that we don't have money even to travel many times. So you have to be very thrifty. These people are very thrifty. Many of these people, Tatas, are very thrifty. Even with such a largest organization, they are very thrifty. Narayan Murthy one day was standing in a long queue in Chennai, and I went that he was standing in a long queue, and I was in the business class, and they too had taken a decision that they will travel only economy. He said, I have given a decision, everybody will try economy class. And see, I am giving the decision, I must myself travel. And he was almost like a huge queue there morning. I said, your time is important, let's discuss something else. He said, no, I will stand up in that queue. So I am just giving some examples what values. This has been created in MKCL also, these values. These values were created in MKCL, that's why MKCL is what it is today. This was created in CDAC also. On the day those values were broken, the organizations started diluting, their impact started getting diluted. So this is the power of our values systems. So friends, I think I am again greet you on this occasion, but let's think beyond. We are not born to create a small enterprise or something like that. That's not our role. That's not our role. New ideas, new streams of thinking like this. Great. So this Gurukul is a very pet idea. So that's he'll bring Indian traditional things across the world, and of course it has been tried on different ways. So, and it's Amma's blessing. Amma says this is the way to do it. Mata Amritananda, who is my guru, or the Nami, she says this is the way to do it. This is the way to. You see that, you told me that this one also, this Sar Shri. Sar Shri, you should take courses of Sar Shri. Really some remarkable, he was a Wadia College professor, lecturer in fact, and he became some enlightenment, and he thought this one. He never comes before the people. He just have videos, lectures. He videos, lectures, and many people, I think, completely packed. He never comes in front of the people. His lectures, he commits jokes, it's only video lectures. It's so popular, and he is now so popular. So this is right here in Pune city, somebody has created a whole following without standing before the people. So wonderful. Wish you all the best. Great, thanks. Yes, sir. Thank you so much.